Did you know that the oldest active volcano in the world is Mount Etna in Italy? It's been erupting for over 2,500 years. Imagine witnessing the power of nature that's been shaping the landscape for millennia. Etna isn't just a geological wonder. It's a vital part of local culture and economy, attracting tourists and scientists alike. Then there's Kilauea in Hawaii, which has been continuously erupting since 1983. This volcano offers a unique glimpse into the birth of new land. Each eruption is a reminder of the Earth's dynamic nature, constantly changing and evolving. Isn't it fascinating how these ancient giants continue to remind us of their power?